Suet is a perfect food for fall and winter, and our Wild Birds Unlimited Super Suet is the best suet nutritionally for your birds. It's the highest combination of fat and protein levels of any bird food on the market.
That's right, Brian, and fat is the most concentrated energy source that a bird can consume. And stored body fat is their primary source of energy during the winter. Now, the most overlooked survival challenge for birds is having to endure the extended periods of darkness during a long winter night. A small songbird may go without food for up to 15 hours. And during that time, it can burn up 80% of its stored body fat. A bird's daily challenge is to find enough high-fat foods to make it through each day while also replacing this lost body fat.
Well, our Wild Birds Unlimited Super Suet is a high-fat superfood that's going to help your birds survive whatever winter throws at them.